Hey guys, I'm Lex, one of the founders of Co-Life. Okay, so this month we are focusing on your skin barrier and specifically how to repair damage and how to protect your skin against future damage. A lot of people hear the term skin barrier, but they don't really understand what that means. So I'm going to break it down for you. The skin barrier, also called the epidermal barrier, is simply put just the outer layer of your skin that protects your body from the environment. It's composed of corneocytes, which are simply dead skin cells that are bound together by lipids, or in other words, fats. Here are some of the important functions of the skin barrier. So number one, it protects your body against infection. Number two is it retains moisture and water for your skin. Number three, it allows your skin to absorb any nutrients and anything you put on it topically. And number four, it regulates your body temperature. So these sound like really important functions for our body, right? So you're probably asking, how do we damage our skin barrier? Using harsh soaps and chemicals on our skin or letting our skin get super dry and dehydrated. Sun damage is a huge factor, and not only what we apply topically, but ingesting certain medications and other toxins and putting that into our body. Damage to your skin can express itself in ways like redness, irritation, rash, dryness, even infection and acne breakout. There is hope, there are solutions. I started my own natural skincare collection, Co-Life, with my doctors out of my own personal struggle of having problem skin and a damaged skin barrier and really just not knowing how to treat it and how to repair my skin. For me, in my own skin journey, that looked like skin that was what I call angry, redness, pain, acne breakouts, and inflammation. We just launched a brand new serum that's called the Booster Serum. It's formulated to specifically repair your skin barrier to give it back radiance and glow. We combine nourishing ingredients like niacinamide, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, goji berry, hibiscus, and jojoba oil. I like to say that this is a super serum. There's a long list of benefits to this product. Great for all skin types. It is lightweight and fast absorbing, protects and repairs. It helps with sun damage and dark spots. It's naturally anti-aging to help boost collagen production and also smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-inflammatory, which is key to treat irritated skin. It is natural and vegan, powered by plants with antioxidant, plant peptides, and a ton of different vitamins. This is a Booster Serum, and you guys, I'm honestly just so thrilled to share this with you. We have spent so much time at Co-Life formulating this product. These ingredients have been so pivotal on my own skin journey, so I just want the same success stories for you.